Welcome to Canada Immigration Matters. Are you dreaming of making Canada your new home? The Canadian government is opening its doors wide, aiming to welcome over 485,000 permanent residents in 2024, followed by 500,000 in 2025, and another 500,000 in 2026. If you want to be part of these numbers, listen up. You may be qualified. To be among these numbers, please enter the Express Entry Pool today. Remember, you must pass the IELTS for English language or the TEF for French language with a minimum CLB 7 to enter the Express Entry Pool. The Express Entry Program, your gateway to Canada. The Canada Express Entry Program, initiated by the Canadian government, is an electronic immigration system designed to attract skilled workers from around the world. This program enables applicants to apply for Canadian immigration based on their specific skills, and it comprises 4 distinct economic immigration programs. They are the Federal Skilled Worker Program, FSWP, the Federal Skilled Trades Program, FSTP, the Canadian Experience Class, CEC, and the Provincial Nominee Program, PNP. Ultimately, the Canada Express Entry Program offers skilled workers the opportunity to immigrate to Canada, work, and pursue Canadian citizenship. So, knowing that the Canada Express Entry Program is your ticket to becoming a permanent resident, let's dive into the details. The Federal Skilled Worker Program, FSWP. If you're a skilled professional with work experience, this program is your pathway. Federal Skilled Trades Program, FSTP. Are you a skilled tradesperson? Canada wants you. Canadian Experience Class, CC. If you've already worked in Canada and gained valuable experience, this program is your golden ticket. Provincial Nominee Program, PNP. Each province has its own unique pathways. Explore them and find your fit. Eligibility requirements for Express Entry. Each Express Entry program has its unique requirements, primarily focusing on factors like language skills, qualified occupation, and work experience. To determine eligibility, applicants must visit the Government of Canada's website and complete a questionnaire, which generates a score using the CRS calculator. The minimum threshold for eligibility varies, with the total points being 100. What you need to know. To qualify for Express Entry, pay attention to these key factors. 1. Language skills. Brush up on your English or French. Aim for a minimum CLB 7 in your language proficiency test. 2. Qualified occupation. Make sure your occupation aligns with the Canadian job market. 3. Work experience. Whether you're a skilled worker, a tradesperson, or have Canadian work experience, it matters. 4. CRS score. The Comprehensive Ranking System, CRS, assigns points based on your profile. Aim for a total of 100 points or more. Application process. Your next steps. 1. Gather documents. Get your paperwork ready. You'll need your valid passport, language test results, education assessment report, job offer letter, if applicable, police certificates, medical exam results, and proof of financial capability. 2. Create your profile. Head to the Government of Canada website, enter your eligibility code from the questionnaire, and provide detailed information. Number 3. Wait in the Express Entry Pool and wait for selection. The Canadian government regularly invites the highest-ranked profiles. Once your profile is in the Express Entry Pool, keep an eye out for your letter of invitation to apply. 4. Apply for permanent residence. If you are selected, with an invitation to apply for permanent residence, complete the application, pay the required fees, and wait for the government's decision within approximately 6 months. 5. Congratulations! If your application is approved, you're on your way to becoming a Canadian permanent resident. Pack your bags, cross the border, and get ready for an exciting new chapter in the Great White North. Remember, Canada is not just about maple syrup and hockey, although those are pretty awesome too. It's about opportunity, diversity, and a high quality of life. The Canadian immigration process can be complex and challenging. Connect with Chugo Immigration Services if you need assistance with any aspect of immigrating to Canada through the Express Entry program. We are registered Canadian immigration consultants, and you can reach out to us by email at chugoimmigration@gmail.com or on WhatsApp at 1-403-836-1866, messages only. Check in the video description area for links and other resources to help you with your Express Entry application. Your Canadian journey starts here. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more valuable insights into Canada immigration matters. Thanks for watching.